a child, you would wait and watch from far away, but you always knew that you'd be the one to work while they all play. And you'd lay awake at night and scheme of all the things that you would change, but it was just a dream.
Where are you now?
When you have to rise above the rest and prove yourself, your spirit never dies. Farewell, I've gone to take my throne above, but don't leave for me, 'cause this will be the labor of my love.
My own mortality, trying to escape this simulated reality. Everybody's gonna be dead someday, but maybe it won't be the same for me. Why do I have to be normal? What if I wanna be immortal? What if I wanna? Legends never die, so I guess I'll stick around for a minute. And I can never let a false guy tell me when my job is finished. Okay, I'm kicking up my feet like I'm running shit. Too far gone, so I might as well run with it. Rumbling with kings and queens for the hell of it. It's my world and I'm letting you live in it. 'Cause everybody's gonna be dead someday, and I know it won't be the same for me. Why do I have to be normal? What if I wanna be immortal? What if I wanna?